So you heard about people mining Bitcoin and making passive income, but you think it is too expensive, too difficult, or simply not for you? In today's video, I will show you how anyone can mine Bitcoin, even a total beginner, without having to spend thousands of dollars on expensive equipment and without having a ginormous electric bill. And now let me show you exactly how it's done. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will break down how you can start mining Bitcoin today, whether you are tech savvy or not. I'll cover what Bitcoin mining actually is, what you need to mine, and the easiest way to start mining Bitcoin today, even from your mobile phone. So if this kind of stuff interests you, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Let's start with the basics. What in the world is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is how new Bitcoins are being created and how transactions are being verified. Miners use computing power to solve math problems, and the first to solve it gets rewarded in Bitcoin. That is called a block reward. Think about it as a lottery. The more computing power you have and the bigger your hash rate, the better chance you have of hitting a block and actually making a ton of money. Talking about power, let's quickly break down the traditional method of mining Bitcoin. This is everything that traditional mining requires. First off, you are going to need to buy a ton of ASIC mining machines, and they are very loud and very expensive. Second, you are going to need a stable electricity source. Don't think that you can simply plug one of these miners in a regular outlet and expect to make some money. You need lots and lots of power, and sometimes you will need to rewire an entire house or an entire building just to get enough electricity. Third, you need to cool your equipment. Whether you'll be buying giant fans, whether you'll be submerging your miners using water, liquid, whatever you want to use to cool them, you're going to have to keep that equipment cool in order for it to work properly. And finally, you are going to need some knowledge. You're going to need to learn all the technical aspects of these machines, how to maintain them, how to properly connect them. You're going to need a lot of experience and knowledge. This is where a lot of beginners simply give up. They say it is too expensive and too complicated. I'm out. But the method that I use to mine Bitcoin, the one that I'm about to share right now, doesn't require you to purchase a lot of equipment, doesn't require you to rewire your house, doesn't require you to buy giant fans or become an expert in computer engineering or any of that stuff. This method is extremely user-friendly, and you can literally start mining Bitcoin right now. So the way I mine Bitcoin is by using a cloud-based mining platform like Go Mining. Now let's go over to my dashboard so I can show you step by step on how exactly it is done. Alright, so once you create your account, I will have a link to Go Mining in the description box below. If you use that link, you're going to get a promo code where you're going to get 5% off of your next miners. You're going to get that cash back. So let's quickly go over to the dashboard. As you can see, I already have multiple miners that are generating income for me every single day. Every single day, I am making some passive income in Bitcoin. So once you create your account, you're going to have two options on how to get a miner. First option is to simply create your own miner. Simply press create. So right here, you are going to select your power. The more power you select, the more powerful your miner will be, and the more Bitcoin you are going to make every single day. Right here is your efficiency. The lower your efficiency, the better. Alright, so let's quickly scroll down. You will see right now the current price of Bitcoin is $108,000. And this gives you the full breakdown. Your annual ROI is 47%, which is very good. But best of all, the total price is only $25.99. That is all you need in order to start mining Bitcoin. So after you decided how much power you wanted, and we are going to press next right here. This will give you a couple of options. You can literally use your debit, your credit card to buy these miners. You can use your Apple Pay, your Google Pay, or you can use crypto, whichever one it is easier for you. All right, so for this example, we're not going to use crypto. We're going to use Apple Pay. Once you select Apple Pay, you're simply going to scroll down and press pay. Also, as you can see right here, you have an area where you can enter in a promo code in order to get a discount. And if you enter this promo code, you're going to get some cash back. Once you enter in that promo code, you simply press pay, and within a couple of seconds, you are going to have a miner. And this miner will generate Bitcoin for you every single day. When we click on the rewards right here, you're going to see my daily payouts. As you can see, every single day I am generating some Bitcoin. Not a lot of Bitcoin, but over time, this will definitely add up. Best of all, if you go back to your farm, you can literally upgrade your miners. The more you upgrade your miners, the more power you're going to get and the more passive income you're going to generate. The second option is by simply going over to the marketplace and buying a miner. As you can see, for example, this miner right now is $10,000, but it generates a lot of Bitcoin. You can sort by, let's say, the lowest price. So right now, the lowest priced miner is only $26.49. So you'll be able to use your Bitcoin, Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit card, credit card, whatever you want in order to purchase this miner. And every day you're going to get some Bitcoin. Best of all, gold mining is very easy, very user friendly. You can literally start mining Bitcoin in a matter of minutes. You can track everything on the mobile app or right here. And every time you make some Bitcoin, you can cash it out into your wallet, stack up on Bitcoin, and watch it make you even more money in the long term. So the way gold mining works is very simple. They have a lot of building warehouses full of Bitcoin miners, and what they do is they take a portion of that miner and they sell it to us as these virtual miners. So you pretty much own a very small percentage of a real miner somewhere in a warehouse. Best of all, they are very, very transparent. You can literally track every single miner that they have. You can watch live streams of all of the miners mining away, making us Bitcoin every single day. So gold mining, extremely transparent company, very well known, and they have been around for many, many years. And now let's quickly look at the pros and cons of using this method. Pro number one, it is beginner friendly. You can have zero experience and still be able to start mining Bitcoin within 5 minutes. Pro number two, no hardware maintenance. You don't have to worry about cleaning the machines, keeping them cool, upgrading them, or any of that. Pro number three, this one is my favorite, and that is you will earn Bitcoin every single day. Pro number four, it is easy to scale. You can upgrade your power. You can buy more and more miners. The more power, the more miners you have, the more Bitcoin you're going to make. So you can create a plan where every single week or every single month you spend another $25 and you buy another miner, increasing your daily payout. And now let's talk about some cons. While gold mining does have all the physical miners in their warehouses, you actually don't have a physical miner. Some people want to have a big loud machine in their house. Other people do not. So con number one, you don't have a physical machine in your house. You just have a virtual one on the app. Another con is the price of Bitcoin is unpredictable. So on some days you might make more while other days you make less. Price of Bitcoin goes up and it goes down. So it fluctuates slightly. So if you have been sitting on the sidelines and wondering how you can get in on the crypto game, how you can start mining some Bitcoin and start making some money, well, you can start with gold mining. In my opinion, it is one of the best, easiest ways to jump in the game and start mining and start accumulating some Bitcoin. With gold mining, you don't need to be a tech savvy wizard or spend tens of thousands of dollars up front. You can literally start with like $25 and build your portfolio up, grow your miners, grow your power, and create a nice source of passive income for you. That is all I have for this quick video. If you want me to break it down even more, let me know in the comment section below. I also have a ton of other videos on gold mining, how to upgrade your miners, how to buy new miners, literally step-by-step guides, so you can check those out as well. And as always, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Happy mining, and see you in the next video. Peace out.